12 astrological ladies, which I'll announce you in a few seconds. They are sorted from least to most. And the ranking position is based on how good these women can be when it comes to children upbringing, household running, and of course, their general attitude to a married life. So let's start from the zodiac wife number 12. And number 12 in today's list is Sagittarius woman. If you wonder why she is the last, the answer is pretty simple. The first and probably main priority of Sagittarius female in life is a professional career. But it doesn't mean that she is not interested in a long-term relationship. No, she just wants to meet the right man who has a similar character to her. Although Sagittarius is not family-oriented woman, but she's definitely one of the smartest and generous personalities in comparison with other signs. On the one hand, it's her biggest advantage, because she is always attracting necessary people into her life. But on the other hand, when it comes to romantic relations, she can't meet a man of her dream, and as a result, she is diving deep into business and professional career. Whatever Sagittarius female does, she is achieving the highest results. But in terms of married life, this lady can disappoint you, because she's always focused on the self-development and personal growth, instead of running a household and being involved into boring daily routine. Zodiac wife number 11. This woman is probably one of the most beautiful and charismatic personalities for making the photo shoots and for fashion shows performance. But when it comes to marriage, you have to possess a phenomenal patience and never give up while fighting for her heart. Because Gemini woman is more interested in art, music and traveling, less in married life. But if you find a way on how to make her fall in love with you, she will definitely accept a proposal for becoming your wife. However, don't expect a quick yes from her, because Gemini woman is usually getting married after 30, and it can be a frustrating fact for a lot of men, especially for those who want to create a family in the early age. The best zodiac wife number 10. Sometimes it's hard to understand what she really wants in her life. Today she is going to get married with you, but tomorrow she is ready to get divorced, because you don't give her enough space and freedom in the relationship. Now I'm talking about the Aquarius woman. Literally, you have to date her for 5 years in order to convince this girl to say yes. Aquarius female doesn't listen to nature and human standards when it comes to family planning. She is used to enjoy her life to the fullest, unless she feels tired of being single. Getting ready to become your wife is like a new experiment for Aquarius woman, and such an experiment makes her feel scared, because she knows that she has to sacrifice her personal interest for the sake of commitment and boring family life. However, once you promise her not to make the demands in terms of daily duties, letting her live like she used before, then Aquarius girl will probably take your marriage proposal into consideration. Moreover, she will be paying a lot of attention on how much money in pockets you have. Although she will never talk about your financial capabilities openly, but the amount on your bank account, that's what gives an Aquarius woman more hopes about your future together. Keep that in mind. Zodiac wife number 9 is Aries woman. No matter how beautiful you are and how much money you have, it's not what can make this lady become your wife. Because masculinity and charisma, these are two qualities she's looking for in a husband of her dream. When it comes to married life, Aries female is a professional breadwinner, because she has always more energy and power to hard work than her man. Now you understand why she wants to get married with someone stronger than she is. Once she realizes you are worth of her attention, then your couple can achieve really incredible results in a family life. After all, Aries woman is a universal wife who can do a lot of different things at the same time. Taking care of children, cooking delicious dishes, and it's not all what she can be proud of. But for doing the family duties, you have also to be involved into your home activities, otherwise you will fight with her. Aries female hates lazy men. Zodiac wife number 8. Beautiful and sometimes an approachable queen who also knows how to be the best wife for her husband and lovely mom for her kids. It's all about Leo woman. If you consider this lady as your future wife, you have to be ready for different kind of challenges in the relationship. By that I mean the moments when Leo wife demonstrates her commanding character in the daily life, making the tons of demands to her husband at the same time. Not every man can get along with such a strong and serious lady in a married life. However, if you find an approach to her showing your readiness to bring money every day and invest a lot of time in your family, then she will become more gentle to you. Moreover, if you pay a lot of attention to your intimate life, you'll have an unforgettable love experience with your Leo wife in the bedroom, because she wants to live with a man who is capable of satisfying her needs not financially only, but also sexually. The best zodiac wife number 7. This woman would easily get into the top 3. She has all the traits of the most attractive lady in terms of beauty and charisma. However, because of her constantly hesitating character, the married life can be fragile with her. It's all about Libra woman. This female has an amazing logic which she is constantly using when it comes to important decisions taken. And it's not even surprising why she always avoids a lot of typical mistakes which other zodiac signs do in a relationship. Before getting married, Libra woman is used to think not twice but 100 times. She always knows clearly what she wants, and there is no sense to hurry her to become your wife. Once this lady is ready for commitment and marriage, you'll be probably living with another woman. So in order to win Libra female's heart, you have to be authentic, smart, and insanely patient guy. But it's a test of your fortitude. If you complete it successfully, you will get one of the most romantic and sweet wives into your life. A Libra woman definitely knows how to raise the children and make her husband happy. Zodiac wife number 6. If you want to live happily, taking your married life absolutely under your personal control, then Pisces woman is the right lady to pay attention on. She always knows how to run a household. She is a master of communication with children. Okay, her cooking skills suck. But anyway, Pisces is one of the most traditional zodiacs whom it's just necessary to create a family with. By living together with this woman, whatever you do for your family, she will be always thankful for that. The Achilles heel of Pisces wife is your kids. If you provide them not luxury but satisfied existence, then you will never have any issues with her in the daily life. But the biggest advantage of Pisces wife in marriage is she doesn't like quarrels and scandals, and it is a good sign for those men who want to live in peace and stability. Zodiac wife number 5. If you impress this lady by means of your self-confidence and sincere character, you will see the clear signs of her immediate interest to you. Now I mean a Scorpio woman. In order to get along with her, forget about fake intentions and flattery. This personality has always a serious attitude to love, relationship and marriage, and she is expecting the same attitude from her husband. If you are a responsible man who knows how to take care about family, then Scorpio wife will be devoted to you forever. The positive side of being engaged with Scorpio is she is not brainwashing. She will never betray. She will always support you in any difficult moment. On the other hand, the dark side of Scorpio wife is her controlling and jealous character. Don't let other women to play around you, otherwise she will demoralize you, and all of them together. Zodiac wife number 4. Get ready to wash the dishes after the dinner and make sure your fridge is full of food. If it's not, then Taurus wife will be showing her horns to you every day. By standing in marriage with Taurus family, you will face the same kind of daily issues. But it's a part of interesting and happy life, because she behaves like a real housewife who wants her family to be full up and satisfied. Taurus wife is a person whom you will always have a stability with. She likes simple but qualitative material things. She will never ask you for luxury and expensive stuff. Of course, if it's your personal desire to make the gifts, then she will accept them. However, the character, simplicity and high level of tolerance that the Taurus wife possesses, it's not what allows her taking the 4th position. The greatest personal qualities of Taurus woman in married life is her pragmatism and readiness to look for compromises when she is fighting with her husband. Fortunately, you won't fight frequently, because it's not easy task to make Taurus wife mad. She has an incredible self-control. Zodiac wife number 3. If you are ready for family rules and harsh discipline, then Virgo woman is the right person whom you should be married with. Don't leave your socks under the couch. Try to take shower at least 2 times a day. That's what will make this lady to fall in love with you. Yes, Virgo woman is too much hygienic personality. Personality who will be always keeping in order everything in your house. And her husband is not exception. Moreover, the kids, family budget and important events planning, all this stuff will be under her absolute control. If you are ready to play the second role in your married life without a headache about different things, just bring home as much money as you can. Your Virgo wife will definitely take care about all the rest. The best zodiac wife number 2. Understanding how to organize comfortable atmosphere at home and how to give a family the best financial security. These 2 things always help a Capricorn woman get in more scores and remain at the top of the most successful family personalities of zodiac. Capricorn wife is always thinking about the future. If she's getting married in the early age, she's immediately starts saving the money for a rainy day. And this lady doesn't even rely on her husband, because she's absolutely confident about her own abilities. Her main maternal task is to give the children the best education and teaching them how to become successful in life. If you consider a Capricorn sign for the role of your future wife, you will never regret about your choice, because she will be always faithful and supportive woman for you. Finally, the best zodiac wife number 1. Sensitive character, incredible love to children, and deep connection to husband on a spiritual level. All this refer to Cancerian woman. This lady is a super mother and quiet, compassionate personality. Personality who is always ready to help others in the difficult moments, because her heart is full of love to all the people around. However, Cancerian wife has a lot of fears in a relationship and even in married life. Literally, she is afraid of being betrayed by her husband, even when he says that he loves